Hey guys, Crash here, and if you guys are wondering where have I been, the sun's bright. If you guys are wondering where I've been, well, what's been happening is that, my dog, or should I say my sister's dog, because they were very close, well, me and him were two. If you guys don't remember Buddy, and if you don't remember my cat, Odette, the reason I haven't made a video in a long time, I've been editing one. It's been taking a while. But my cat ran away. I don't know if she's dead or alive. As you see, I'm really sad because I'm about to tell you the bad news. We're gonna have to put my dog down, or my sister's dog. He's been suffering too much. He has worms and they've been killing him from the inside. He can't even move. Luckily, my other dog, Mina, if you don't remember her, she actually warned my mom because he was actually trying to drag himself. He can't move his hind legs. He's actually trying to drag himself into his crate. So let's actually go over there and look. There's my pretty girl. Hey, girl. Hey. I have to use this as a thing to scare her off so she don't jump. So you don't remember Mina right there? She wants to get the spotlight. But, well, here's Buddy. Mina. Hold on, guys. Okay, put her in the cage. There's Buddy. Hey, bud. Poor dog. If you guys probably can't see it, neither can I. But right down on his back area, he has a big wound, and you can actually see his spinal cord. And that's another problem. He has hookworms and heartworms. Hookworms are what gave him heartworms. So that's what I meant from them killing him from the inside. I just been kind of sad already because since my cat ran away, I've already been depressed enough, and now we're gonna have to put him down. So we're gonna have to go to Dallas and bury him in our land, like we're gonna do for all our other pets. Till we actually know my cat's actually gone, we're gonna put her up his tombstone. So for those of you who were wondering where I've been, yeah, that's what's been happening. For those of you who haven't seen me cry on camera, probably are going to today. So, and also be watching out for my channel, because I'm going to see my grandfather, my aunt, and my cousin, and my cousin, she is throwing a Halloween party, so you'll get to see my Halloween costume. Just staring at him makes him sad. But I don't know what else to say. It's just, I've had him for so long. It feels like some part of me has been taken away from me. If you guys know how that's been. well, be watching out for my channel for me going to a Halloween party, which is gonna be this weekend. I'm posting this video on Thursday. Yeah, sorry guys, I have to skip school tomorrow because I have to bury my dog, bury him, and also my mom has to do stuff. I don't know what she has to do, but for those of you, yeah, that's where I've been. Oh, sorry about that. Pausing actually touched it. Anyways, guys, crash. And I'll see you later. Cue horror outro since it's October and I can do that.